Hello family, I am Paul M. Brumfield and this is PMB Travels. I just got on board the Carnival Freedom. I am staying in a balcony cabin, so let's do a review. So starting from the entrance of the cabin, to the right hand side is the bathroom. Pretty decent bathroom. I'm doing a solo cruise, so it's a pretty decent size bathroom for all your needs. Instead of a glass door, there's a shower curtain here. They don't have soap in the shower. They do have liquid shower gels and shampoo for your desire. Your towels, shelving to put all of your amenities. Little garbage down here at the bottom. It's a decent size shower. When you come into the cabin, on your left hand side will be your cabinets. Ample size. You could also ample size to put your luggage at the bottom to get it out of the way. They supply hangers in this one. There's 3 cabinets. Another one here, ample size to put all of your luggage and also to have your coats and your shirts, and here is more shelving. This is a little extra bedding at the bottom if you so desire. To the left hand side, this is me. You will have your desk with the mirror. Now it does have a pretty small television. I would say that this is probably the smallest television I've ever seen in a cabin that I've been on, whether it's an interior or balcony in any of the ships. So it's very small television. Here you have your safe, if you so desire to use one. I ordered some water, so already there was some water that was here. To the right side is a couch. Then the bed, nice size bed with some lamps on the side of it. Another mirror here right in front of the bed. Some more cabinets at the bottom, as well as a small seat at the desk. And here is the door to the balcony. So you have 2 chairs, a little table in between. It's a good sized balcony. And we are sailing from the port of Miami. Let me know what you think of the Carnival Freedom balcony cabin. Please like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell to be notified for any time I do post. And until next time, happy travels.